So this is an amazing thing, and I don't know how even to call it in English, but basically what it does, you put it on your grips like this, adjust it, and now when you drive, let's say in a straight line, you can manage your throttle only by this part, so it's easy on your wrist, very comfortable actually. First time I tried this on my friend's motorcycle, and I was surprised how cool and how amazing this thing is, because if you don't like, you just take it away, you put it somewhere in a backpack or somewhere, and if you know you're gonna drive for a very long distances, and especially in a straight line or somewhere, you just put it on and that's it, and it's done, you know. And it cost from AliExpress, like, I don't remember, like 150 or maybe €2, so it's super easy, so really recommend it.